Hello friends, my name is Jatin. You can see here a words home, H-O-M-E, home. I feel personally that home is made up with a mother. Only a mother can make it a home very precious and important. So on this Mother Day, I want to make it a mother with the help of this word home. Now I'm going to start. Take your marker. Here is our marker. If you need a thin one, you can use it this. If you need a fatty one, you can use it this. I'm going to start with a fatty one. Here I'm going to make it a face with a one curl for showing the hair. Now I'm going to use it a thin one for preparing the eyes by making a simple curve, bindi at the center, Mang at the head, one formal nose with a curve, again with a curve, a good small smile. Again here somewhat a big tin she is carrying on, which she is completely busy with his homeworks. So a tin on a head, one curve for the ears, a small jhumka, one slanting line for the arms, one slanting line, one of the hand is going upside and one of the hand is going downside, one slanting line, and one curve. If you want to show the design of the top, here I'm showing the design of the top. Now I'm going towards hand, again slanting, going towards upside, few bangles and a holding hand, one slanting line going towards downside, again few bangles, again few curve lines for making a hand, one curve line for making a finishing of a top, one more curve line for making a stomach, one straight line for making a lehenga, which is coming little bit of flow here outside. Here a belly point. Now here a chunri flowing outside. Again a chunri flowing outside. Showing some flares. One curl, one circle, oval shape for making in the leg. Here with the help of whom one mother is ready. You can make it few ornaments too. Now I'm going to fill a color. I'm going to take it a brush pens. Taking a red color for filling the chunri. Even on the back side. Here I want to show a pattern. So I'm going to fill it in a color, different colors. Again yellow color at the lower part. Again yellow color on the top. Black color in the hair. Red color in the tin. Let's see he's getting. I make it in colorful. So here you can see a mom is created, quite busy with his household works, with the help of a word home. And I truly believe that home is made up with a mother. A beautiful home is made up with mother. So it's specially for all the mothers on a Mother's Day. Thank you, friends.